Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today we're going to be talking about 5 more incredibly useful websites for enhancing projects, creating photos, and converting your files or creating files that's going to take your laser business to the next level. This is a continuation of our last video and kind of showing you a 100% free alternative to one of the sites we mentioned. So as you can see, we got another QR code website here. This is the 100% free version of what I talked about in our previous video. Was another website that said it was 100% free, but that was only up to 100 scans. This one is going to be for a lifetime. So I missed that they changed their terms and conditions for that in the last video. But in this one, as you can see, it's endless, unlimited lifetime scans, and it is free 100% for commercial use. So I would recommend this website. I did put the link to this in the other video right below that other website I mentioned. But just in case you guys didn't see it, I wanted to recreate this video for brand new websites as well, including this new QR code monkey website. So just like before, you can add your own website. We'll go to freshstartcustoms.com. We'll add that in. We can set our colors. I recommend just leaving it black for your laser. You can add your own logo if you want to. As mentioned in the last video, I don't recommend adding logos to the center of this. It can be messed up on laser engraving. And then you have custom designs. So you can do different custom designs if you don't like the bricks. I tend to just leave it in the bricks. That way it works best for laser engraving. Once you have all those options set, you can change the quality of this. Let's just say we want it as high quality as possible for the engraving. We're going to click Create QR Code. It's going to create your QR code, and right there it is. If you scan that, that should go right to my website. We can download it as a PNG and then convert it to SVG, or we can just install the file as a SVG right here. The next website I want to talk about is called the Noun Project. This website has free icons that you can use for personal use. I believe if you want to do commercial use, you have to pay for it. There is a price guide in there. But the reason why I wanted to include this website in this video here is that these are actually all of the icons from Glowforge's premium software, and that's where they're implementing those from. So if you want to do like a quick search for a dog, let's do a quick search and show you what it shows up with. You have all these little icons you can download and use in your projects. Once again, if you're going to be using this for commercial use, look at their pricing, make sure it follows their guidelines. But I just wanted to quickly include this in there for anybody who doesn't have like Glowforge Premium, for example, or Glowforge in general. And you can get these icons itself for personal use. The next website we're going to be talking about is Removebg. This is a background remover. It's going to be great for your end products for your laser. So once you create your end products and you need to remove the background for like Etsy, for example, for your listings, we're going to be dropping in a really messy, busy background with the Xtool S1 in it. And this is going to remove the entire background seamlessly. This website does a really good job at this. You can also do extra erasing if you need to manually, but look at the before and then the after. Look how well that did. And then all you got to do is download your image after, and that'll save you a huge amount of time. Even if you have Photoshop, that's a lot faster than you manually removing stuff. So I want to include that in the video here for anybody who's getting into listing photos, for example. That is a great resource to have. The next website we're going to be talking about is CloudConvert. This website I've used a lot in the past. This comes in handy if you're purchasing a file on like Etsy, and it only comes in, let's say, a DXF file. All you got to do is come up here, click on this, type in DXF, and then it'll find it. You can click on it there, and then all you need to do to convert it into any file that works with your laser. So in this case, we're going to say SVG. You'll click on that. You'll upload your file here, click on convert, and then it'll save it as an SVG file. It's going to convert it from the DXF into an SVG, Or if you're not happy with an SVG, just go with a PDF and click on that, and then you can convert it to a PDF. The only thing that I have to let you know with this website, they do offer up to 10 free conversions per day. So once you run out of your 10 on the first day, just wait until the next day. Otherwise, if you need to convert a whole bunch all at once, there is a pricing option, and you can do that as well. But up to 10 free per day is pretty good with me. I don't think I'll need to ever convert that much. This is a great resource to have. Like I said, I've used this many times in the past, and I really recommend that you guys do this if you ever run into that situation where you get a file that's just not compatible with your laser and turn it into one that is compatible with your laser. Last but not least, we have Pixabay.com. This website has thousands of royalty-free images, and I want you guys to err on the side of caution to use these for personal use only, as they do have some sponsored images in here that may not be included for commercial use, but you can actually look into each one's licensing, so just be diligent with which ones you're downloading here. But they also have vectors as well. So let's click on vectors. We're going to do a search for dog like we did in the Noun Project. And as you can see right here is the first 4 images are sponsored by iStock. And there is a price attached to them. So just keep an eye out for those. But underneath here it says royalty-free vectors. So all of these down here should be good to go. But I want you to look up and be safe on those. But with anything else, you can at least use this website for really good inspiration for laser projects. So let's say we like these 2 round ones here. I want to create Christmas ornaments based on dogs. We got a really good idea there. We're going to click on this dog here. And as you can see, there's some more sponsored ones down here. But this dog itself says it's royalty-free, free for use and download. And then you can also check the extended content licensing behind it here to make sure you can use it for commercial use or not. So I'm going to leave that up to you to read all of those. But this is a great resource nonetheless for just getting ideas basing your laser projects off of that I wanted to share with you guys here. If you guys have any questions on these websites, let me know down in the comments below. Hopefully I helped you guys out. If you don't own a laser yet, I'll have some links down below as well that will help the channel out if you decide to use those links. And then if you are just getting started off and you want some projects of your own to print off, we do have our own custom laser files down below as well. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.